Module Overview. Supply Chain Management, SCM, is a critical domain within operations management that focuses on the planning, implementation, and control of the flow of goods, services, information, and finances from raw material suppliers to end customers. It integrates key business processes across organizations and functions to maximize customer value and achieve a sustainable competitive advantage. SCM is not only about moving products, but about optimizing every step along the chain: sourcing, procurement, production, logistics, inventory management, and distribution to increase efficiency, reduce costs, improve quality, and ensure responsiveness to market demand. Definition and scope of supply chain management. Supply chain management encompasses a broad set of activities including supplier relationship management, selecting, evaluating, and collaborating with suppliers; demand forecasting, predicting customer demand to align production and inventory; procurement, acquiring raw materials, components, and services; production scheduling, coordinating manufacturing processes with supply and demand; inventory management, balancing inventory levels to meet service levels while minimizing costs; warehousing and distribution, managing storage and transportation to ensure timely delivery; returns management, handling product returns and reverse logistics efficiently. The supply chain as a network. A supply chain is a complex, dynamic network of organizations, people, activities, information, and resources. It typically includes suppliers, provide raw materials or components; manufacturers, transform inputs into finished products; distributors, move products closer to customers; retailers, sell products to end users; customers, final consumers of the products or services. Effective SCM requires synchronizing these entities to minimize delays, avoid stockouts, and reduce overall costs. Key components and flows in SCM. Material flow. Physical movement of goods from suppliers to customers. Information flow. Sharing of data about demand forecasts, inventory levels, order status. Financial flow. Payments, credit terms, and financial settlements along the chain. Optimizing these flows enhances visibility, coordination, and agility across the supply chain. Supply chain strategies. Organizations design supply chain strategies based on their competitive priorities and market environment. Common strategies include lean supply chain, minimizes waste and inventory, focuses on efficiency; agile supply chain, maximizes responsiveness to customer demand variability; lean agile hybrid, combines lean principles in upstream supply with agility downstream; global supply chain, manages sourcing and distribution across multiple countries. Tools and techniques in SCM. Vendor managed inventory, VMI. Suppliers manage inventory levels for customers. Just in time, JIT. Minimizing inventory by receiving goods only as needed. Enterprise resource planning, ERP. Integrated software systems for supply chain coordination. Supply chain risk management, identifying and mitigating disruptions. Collaborative planning, forecasting, and replenishment, CPFR. Joint forecasting and planning with partners. Challenges in supply chain management. Demand uncertainty. Fluctuating customer needs complicate planning. Globalization risks, political instability, tariffs, and transportation issues. Supply disruptions, natural disasters, supplier failures, pandemics. Sustainability, environmental regulations and social responsibility. Technological integration, implementing and maintaining complex IT systems. Coordination and trust, aligning goals and sharing information among partners. The future of supply chain management. Emerging trends shaping SCM include digital supply chains, IoT, AI, blockchain for enhanced visibility and automation; sustainable supply chains, reducing carbon footprints, ethical sourcing; resilient supply chains, building flexibility and redundancy to withstand shocks, customer-centric supply chains, tailoring supply processes to individual customer preferences. Conclusion of Module 5. Mastering supply chain management equips organizations to deliver value faster, cheaper, and with higher quality while managing risks and complexity. This module prepares learners to strategically design, analyze, and optimize supply chains that are resilient, sustainable, and aligned with business objectives.